Now that airlines are getting stricter on carry-on size, is a soft shell carry-on the way to go in 2026? Well, I just traveled with this Bagsmart Blast Pro roller backpack. That's right, this is a roller and a backpack in one, and it actually completely changed my opinion on soft shell luggage. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all the features of the bag, but I'm also gonna compare it to the traditional hard shell carry-on that I normally travel with. So by the end of the video, you're gonna know which bag is right for you and your travel style. Let's start with the most important feature of any carry-on, which are the wheels. And if you follow me, you know I travel a lot and I've used a lot of different carry-ons, and I always say the wheels are the most important. You have to have good quality wheels. And I love these because these are PU wheels. So they're the same wheels that you're gonna find like in rollerblades or skateboards, which means they are meant for durability, outdoors, rugged terrain. Right now I'm thinking my Europe travelers, or if you're a cruiser and you're making a lot of different stops at different ports, maybe some of these places have cobblestone streets like Old San Juan. These are going to be so much better versus the traditional hard shell carry-on that has the four wheels. Next, let's talk about the handles, because this actually has something that I haven't seen yet in other carry-ons. Now, one, of course, is the telescoping handle. They all have that, so you can roll it around very easily, and it goes up and down with no issues, but it has three other handles I'm gonna show you. So this top handle, which then you can carry it like this. It has the side handle here, but it also has a bottom handle, which I haven't seen. So when you were trying to get this up into the overhead bin, it makes it so much easier also taking it down. And I just absolutely love that feature. Again, I have not seen that yet in another carry-on. Versus the hard shell, you usually only find this top handle, of course the telescoping handle you have, and then sometimes the side handle, but now the side handle is a non-negotiable for me, but you rarely see that bottom handle, and I really do love that so much about the soft-sided. Next, let's talk about the size and dimensions of this bag, and this is really why I agreed to Bagsmart sponsoring this video, because it meets the requirements of almost every single airline. So it's 21.7 by 13.8 by 9.1. Sizing on the hard shell carry-ons gets tricky because they do come in different sizes and are considered carry-ons, but yet not every airline approves the different sizes. So you have to know which airline you're flying and what their requirements are. Another thing Bagsmart did very well with this bag to make sure they kept within the requirements of most airlines is that they embedded the wheels. So you can see that the wheels are actually a part of the length of the bag versus traditional hard shells, they're usually on the bottom, and you have to factor that into the size. Another difference I found between the soft shell and the hard shell is the weight. So this one is so lightweight, it's just over 6 pounds, versus the hard shell is just over 8 pounds. So it's a 2-pound difference, and that can be a big difference, especially I'm thinking my Europe travelers, my cruisers, people that are traveling for a long period of time, or if you want to use it as a backpack, which I'm going to show you next. The straps are really easy to access, but I have to show you this other thing that I love, is that they have a wheel cover, because if you're going to use this as a backpack, you don't want these scuffing your clothing. So I love that. And then, like I said, straps are really easy just to pull out, and then you attach them here to the sides. It also has this waist strap if you are going to use it as a backpack, so it's extra support. And that just literally Velcros right here to the bottom of the backpack. You can see it's very easy to take on and take off. The straps are adjustable here. Again, with this waist strap, if you want more support, helps keep it on so it's not like bumping. And then you add that nice wheel cover, and I'm telling you, this is the perfect roller travel backpack. Now for the real test. We have to actually pack this, because can this hold as much as my traditional hard shell carry-on? And that's really important because I only do a carry-on only when I travel. Like I said, I actually traveled with this and packed it. So I'm gonna show you exactly how much it holds, all of the compartments and the little pockets and the features that it has. Right away, I love that you can access it from the top. So it zippers around, so it's really easy to access all your stuff. But I wanna show you, even though this is a soft shell, so it's meant to be able to kind of like squeeze and fit in areas, especially if you wanna store it like underneath your bed. It can really turn into more of a hard shell suitcase because it has these stabilizers right here that really makes it more of a box frame. It also has a ton of hidden pockets that I was really impressed with that's going to help you pack more. So right here in the top, it has something for your laptop and it's nice and padded so it stays protected. But then on the inside, it has these top pockets here that you can store things. Also a nice side mesh pocket here. But then it has an RFID pocket on the outside right underneath this handle. So you could store your credit cards or your passport, something along those lines. And I love always this top pocket that you could store portable chargers, your electronics. I also love this little cell phone pocket here. It has fabric inside of it so it can protect your screen. And again, it's located right at the top so it's easy to access. Now, I think we should talk about the fabric that Bagsmart used on this because it is the most durable fabric I've seen. It's not going to scuff, it's not going to rip, you can wipe it off easily. So I am using the stabilizers for this trip because I want to use it like a regular carry-on, also be able to fit as much as I can. I'm also using packing cubes lately, if you follow me. You know that, and I love these from Bagsmart from their Blast collection because they have the compression zipper on the side. Also the handle at the top, and I just love the material here, and that it has mesh, so it's very breathable, but they just keep me more organized, and I feel like I pack better with them. It's also important to note for compression cubes, you want the fabric to be moldable, which these are from Bagsmart, because you want it to be able to fit in all of the curves and the nooks and crannies of the suitcase so that you can fit as much as possible. And as you can see, I still had quite a bit of space left. In fact, those packing cubes had enough clothes for at least 5 days, maybe even longer. So on top of that, I was still able to fit 2 pairs of shoes, a jacket, and all of my toiletries. So I way overpacked for this 2-night trip. And honestly, I probably didn't even need to bring the Bagsmart Blast backpack as my personal item, but I wanted to travel with both of them so I could really test the setup and give you my honest opinion. And don't worry, that is coming soon at the end of the video. But first, I want to show you just a few more features of this roller backpack that I really like. So one are the interior garment straps, which really helps keep everything securely in place while you're traveling. But then on the outside, it also has these compression straps. So you can cinch everything down and make the bag as slim as possible. And that's really helpful if you are trying to fit it into one of those airline baggage sizers. And then finally, I love that bottom handle because it actually doubles as a built-in kickstand. So when you set the bag down, it stands upright instead of flopping over. And I know it's a small detail, but those things make a big difference when you're traveling. And unlike other bags, the side water bottle pocket is really sturdy, so it stays secure instead of constantly falling out. So I personally would use this roller backpack again if I'm flying on an airline that only allows one bag. So it's really made for travelers who like to pack light, wear it as a backpack when they need it, and easily throw it into the overhead bin. That's probably why I wouldn't use it as a traditional carry-on again and pair it with a personal item because it holds a surprising amount, and honestly, it was really all I needed for my weekend trip. So which carry-on is right for you, the soft shell or the hard shell? And I really think it just depends on what type of traveler you are and also what destination you are going to. I do feel like there is a time and a place for both. I personally feel like I can fit more in my hard shell carry-on, but this one has so many features that makes traveling lighter, faster, easier, that I know I'm gonna be using this one as well. And Bagsmart will be offering my subscribers a special discount on both of these, which you can find in the description. But I always love hearing from you guys in the comment section. Let me know which one you like better, the pros and cons, and keep following me at 3 Days and Tres Noches, where I bring you those honest resort reviews, travel tip informational videos like this one, and show you can have an amazing vacation in a really short amount of time. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram.